Yo, I actually, this is for the YouTube. I'm currently live trading with the Discord, but I was muted. I mean, this OBS thing had some weird, this right here, had some weird configurations. What is the word? I don't know, but bro, anyways, what we see, we're making all-time highs again in SPX 500, you know, the ES, same thing. 1 hour we're bearish. What do I expect to happen? Like I told you guys, most of the time the price always just, it doesn't move directly up. It moves boom, 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 boom. That's how the price always has to move. Obviously it depends on news, but then it will fix itself. And yeah, bro. What did I say? Mostly looking for buys from these areas, these right here, but potential short-term sells from 50-minute order block, 50-minute high. I mean, this is a 1 hour high as well. Liquidity for short-term sells. Why? Because we're bullish. On hard time frames, we're bullish, right? But we could essentially get from here because the price wants to get here, and then it can continue up because that's how the price most of the time moves. You know, unless we get like a straightforward like break structure, etc. entry, that's different. But yeah, because I think, you know, my prediction is that it wants to get here, fill some of these fair value gaps, boom, 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 type sheet, and then continuation to the upside because we're bullish. We're making all-time highs. You know, that's the ES, SPX 500. We're ripping. Yeah, bro. By the way, this is our second time that we're trading this week. On Monday we traded one. We won that one, and yeah, that's what's up. And market just opened. I gotta, you know, yeah. Anyways, we are I'm looking for a trade. Anyways, the reason why I haven't traded this week that much is because we had a lot of fucking news. Yesterday we had CPIs. The day before we had what is it? Jerome Powell speaks, etc. Whatever. Anyways, let's just find a market just opened. And this is what happened immediately when market opened. Did you see that, guys? We tapped into the bearish order block immediately when market opened. So we could potentially find shorts. Why? Well, it's in bearish order block and the price is bearish on the 1 hour structure. But yeah, I sort of would want to see a reaction from the order block. Obviously, first I want to see a 5-minute break structure. Because you know, if this just continues to go up, then we're not gonna find a short. We're not gonna look for short. So right here we have the most recent high, and if you break structure, then that's different. You know how it goes. We're getting some sort of reaction. You know, it's reacting a little bit from the order block, but obviously we have to see a break structure first. I don't just immediately want to short from here because that's dumb, obviously. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for a 5-minute break structure to the downside, and then if it looks bad, then order block, etc. Because you know, I don't necessarily want to yet look for buys, even though we broke structure right here on the 5-minute, because we didn't necessarily get reason to buy right now. Obviously we're bullish on the higher time frames, but like it didn't sweep anything, it didn't do anything great, even in the pre-market. And yeah, there's no fair value gap whatsoever. So I think we're just, let's see, we're gonna feel this imbalance. I mean this order block right here, and see a 5-minute break structure to the downside. Or forward, let's see. Like if you guys don't know, you know, summer is coming. That means the volatility of the markets are gonna slow down a little bit. So that means nowadays I enter from 5-minute break structure, not 1. And that is not changing. That, like, the strategy itself does not change. It's just adjusting a little bit because of the market conditions. And that's what, I think that is why most of the people are a little bit stuck in trading. Like, they don't know that they need to adjust the strategy a little bit, you know, not change it. Most people get that wrong also. They start to change everything, but you need to adjust the strategy that is compatible with the current market conditions, because you know the market conditions change all the time. And yeah, that's what I do. Adjust, do not change. All right, we created a low. That's what we were looking for. All right, so this is a low. If you're gonna break structure, I don't think we're gonna enter straight off, like if it breaks structure, because you know always it seems like on a 5-minute time frame it just breaks somewhere here and some bullshit, you know. But obviously, let's see if it just wants to feel some more. Let's see what's up. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna take a leak because there's literally 4 minutes till the candle closes. So I'm gonna be right back. So I'm just gonna record some TikToks. And yeah, bro. Because why not? Why not, bro? I'm just waiting for the price to do something. We gotta use every time that we have as our advantage, for our advantage. You know, 3 minutes till this candle closes. If it breaks structure, if it closes below this line, then it's a break of structure. But however, if it breaks all the way down here, I want to see a order block entry, order block, break of structure entry after that. You know, because we cannot just simply enter just like that, or you know, type sheet. This is really rallying down. And like I told you guys, my prediction was, like it still is, that it's just the prices overall it's bullish, like really bullish on the higher time frames. However, as we all know, price has to do some BS, you know, just move like this. That's how it goes, because we have lots of orders in the middle that the banks and institutions, they need to fill and take other people out from the market. So obviously my prediction still is that it's bullish, but it has to take out these imbalances, etc., lows, liquidities in the middle, and then it can continue its direction to the upside. And even if it continues now, it still has to at some point take out these. And we, as day traders, we can benefit from the time, from the, you know, in the meantime, when it has to go there, we can benefit from that. Hopefully, let's see. I mean, that's how it goes, you know, in the markets. Because if you have seen, literally, if you have been in the markets for some time, it literally never goes straight up. It has, or straight down, my bad, or straight down or up. It never goes straight up or down, unless there's news. But still, it has to feel it in the middle, you know, and then continue, because it's a trend. That's called a trend. And it's nothing. It's not nothing like rocket science or anything. It's just simple facts. Because it could be like it might not break structure even, because we actually get some reaction from the sweep of the 15-minute, because we just swept out the 15-minute low. Look, like if we get a bullish reaction before we get the sell reaction, then the bearish reaction, then we can essentially look for buys. But we have to wait, bro. Because look, it literally just reacts. Let's wait. That's a clear ass sweep. That's a clear sweep. Like rockets, just goes down and then just rallies up back again straight after the sweep. I mean, if we break structure to the upside, we could potentially look for buys now, because we got finally a reaction. And if we get the reaction like a break structure before we get like reaction to short, then essentially, because like I always tell you guys, liquidity is what moves the market. Liquidity sweeps. They literally they causes the price to actually do something. Like the reason why the banks in this situation, why they want to move the market, because these areas, liquidities, they have orders and they need to fill them to do what to do, so they can do whatever they want, you know. So yeah, okay, I'm looking to buy now after that sweep, because that is a clear ass sweep. So if we break structure to the upside, we're not gonna enter immediately because we need more reaction, but unless it breaks like nicely, because we have this big ass order block below it, so we'll just have to wait. Okay, the price is running up just literally like I expected from the sweep. If it breaks structure, we can essentially wait for it to come into this bearish order block, this bullish order block, and then a 1 minute break structure. But you know, just we have to wait. If it breaks structure though, if it breaks structure, okay. So if it breaks structure, I'm average, you guys. Literally, we'll see it in 30 seconds. So let's just wait. Yeah. We broke structure to the upside again. Like we broke structure here, but now we actually got a reaction after that and broke structure. So what am I looking now? Since it broke kind of far away and this is really far away, so I'm gonna just wait for it to come to this order block, this 5 minute bullish order block. Like if it comes, like we have to see, bro. Like obviously we can literally see the switch, but I don't necessarily want it to come all the way up here before we get the reaction, because obviously, like I told you, liquidity sweeps are what moves the market, and I want to see it come here, you know. And or if it closes right here, then we have the fair value gap, and you know, let's just wait for the market to give us the things that we want, you know. It's actually beautiful to see, you know, how the liquidity sweeps actually work. Like boom, sweep, immediate reaction, boom. Like I was looking for shorts, but now that we got this, before we got the sell opportunity reaction, it switches the bias. Yeah. Was I fucking muted all my days, bro? So just to simplify everything, all my days. Can you guys hear the fucking? Okay, they're having fun. It's fine. Like I got the window open, etc. Anyways, fair value gap. We first of all swept out the 50-minute low right here. This is the 50-minute low. Swept it, immediate reaction, got a break structure to the upside. Boom. Now just simply waiting for it to either come into this fair value gap or this bullish order block right here, which is down here, which is this whole thing, you know. And after that, if we manage to get a reaction, like if we hit these areas, then a 1 minute break structure. But if we get here before we get the reactions, etc., then we'll have to wait even more, because this is liquidity. And what happens usually when liquidity gets swept? we get a reaction. But if we don't get a reaction from this, then that's cool. But this is actually, we can literally see this. This is actually kind of impactful area, because this is liquidity that swept out liquidity. Boom, 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 all of this, and this is like, this happened on the news though. This happened on the news. This is 3:30, and as you can see, unemployment claims 3:30 on my time. Yeah, we just took out the liquidity, but we didn't, like, if it gives massive like pressure to the downside, then I don't know. I don't want to short today because of the bias. Just look, man, this is like super, like 50 minutes is closed above. This is like super, super, super bullish. Even though it's a liquidity sweep, it's, look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, man. Because we just closed bullish on the 15. So okay, I'm looking still to buy, man. But like if it, like, obviously if it just drops down, then it's different. But bro, I'll just have to wait. We'll just have to wait. So I'm gonna look for a trade for 40 more minutes. If no setup, then we're done for the day, because you know it's starting to get late, a little bit late into the AM session. So we have to wait. But obviously there's lots of opportunities. Like if we now close this candle, it leaves us this mini fair value gap, and if it gets here and then 1 minute break structure, that could essentially be it, unless we like really get a reaction from this. But that, first of all, it isn't a liquidity sweep on the 15 nor on the 5. All right, now we just took out also this one. We'll really have to see. Okay, we'll have to just wait, bro. Let's wait. We'll close now. So we created this mini fair value gap for some potential reaction. Alright. But we clearly see that we switched the trend because of this sweep. But right now it's not a sweep in the 5 or nor in the 15. And the 30, 9 more minutes, but yeah. Okay, we a little bit feel the imbalance. Just a tip. Alright, bro. That sounded hella weird, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, we just a little bit tapped into the fair value gap, but still, it's a tap. And okay, this high looks hella weird, so I wanna just wait for it to create a new high. If it creates one, we have this new high right here. I want to just check how it potentially would look like. This is that, like if it breaks structure, Looks hella weird, bro. I haven't entered yet. Why are the pips so small? Yeah, bro, I don't know. Getting kind of late in this session, but we could essentially look for a trade right here. Like this. So, we didn't break structure yet, but if it breaks structure, we can take it. But we're making all-time highs, so we gotta remember, we gotta kind of be careful with this one, because there's no limit, you know. There's no limit. Anyways, just a little bit below the order block. Okay. Because normally I would find the TPs somewhere, you know, in the highs, whatever. But yeah, how much is, if it breaks structure, we can take it. So yeah. And it looks like it might break structure right now, so be ready. Alright, I bought it. Bought the S&P. Where I got filled. Well, let me just call it out to the Discord. Like for the people who are not in the call. So let's wait. But hey man, I'ma close the stream right now. So peace out. I sent the signals, etc. For those who missed, and if you missed, this is the order block right here, the 1 minute break, 1 minute bullish order block. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. Peace out. So I just closed the Discord stream. I'm still here with YouTube. Yeah. So okay. See you soon. I'm updating you guys with this, whatever happens. Hey. What's good, man? Straight up killing it with the Discord, bro. This is literally almost the 3rd week flawless. I mean, 2 weeks flawless. But the 3rd week, like 3 weeks ago, we had like 1 loss, but all the other ones were winners. We're freaking killing it in the Discord. Man, if you want to join the winning team, Discord is in the description. Good stuff, man. Obviously, you know, thankful, you know. But yeah, man, thank God, you know. It's currently Thursday. This was only our 2nd trade of the week, but both of them were winners, and everyone's getting paid. Hold on, actually, I have my 2nd. Why am I looking at my 2nd cell phone? Yeah, bro, I don't know if you can see this. Like I told you guys, I have camera issues with this webcam. That's why probably I should buy a new webcam. I don't know, is it the webcam or is it the lightning? I don't know. But hold on, can you see this? Anyways, 240 today. Great week. If you want to join the winning team, Discord is in the description. Pow. Peace out. Good trade.